Hello everyone and welcome. It's Pamela here. I hope you're all having a great weekend. You can see the boxes, so you know it's another craft haul video. And this time I've got a massive order from the Mad Hatter, a scrapbooking shop that's based up in Scotland. And there are two boxes because probably one of the biggest orders I've ever done. And it's mostly supplies that I'll be using for mixed media, mainly art journaling. It's been sent in two boxes, one of two and two of two. So I'm gonna get straight on with opening up the first box. I would just maybe move this one out of the way. And I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I just like sharing my haul videos, so it gives you an expectation of it gives you an idea of the videos that I'm kind of planning, the projects that I'm planning, and so yeah, what will be coming up. So yeah, first off, I've got soft matte gel, and that is mainly to use in art journaling. So I've got soft gloss gel already, but I want to do a lot more of like stamping and using die cuts, things like that on my art journaling pages. So I got a soft gel as well. Here's just heavy gesso, and I think you guys know already I love Prima products. Their like art basics are really good. So I also, one of the main things I got, I'm guessing these have come out of here, but I mean I've already got Lindy's sprays, a few of them, but I decided I just need Lindy's Magicals. So yeah, I couldn't really decide which ones I wanted, so I went a bit crazy and bought, yeah, nearly all of them. And oh, that one comes with a spoon. I wonder if they all do. Handy. I don't think they all do from the looks of it, but yeah, I guess one is useful. Strange though. Don't want to bore you guys too much with those, but probably safe to say I will be using those very shortly. And then so open up the side seals already, just cut along the top here, and I guess this should have really been marked as box 1. So here is the rest of it, and this is a bit, oh okay, and there is another one, which, oh, these are so pretty as well. If I can see, so Alexandra's Artists, they're just gorgeous as well. Okay, so I've got score tape for making mini albums. I normally use a specific, it's like red tape, red double-sided tape for my mini albums, but I want something that's easier to tear, because I mean I don't know how far away, but hopefully quite soon I am thinking of, yeah, making a mini album, but just, I guess, making a tutorial where I will be filming what I'm doing. I don't know how easy that's gonna, yeah, so the red tape doesn't tear, but score tape is so easy, so that will save my scissors if nothing else. These are more for my bullet journal, Micron pens. Okay, this is the Starburst spray that I've already got in the cotton candy pink. These also for the art journaling. I've got a bunch of archival ink, so got a pink peony, sunflower, blueberry or bluebird even, sepia and fern green. So I have the black archival ink already, and yeah, I love that. It seems to dry really quickly, 100% waterproof. So yeah, I just wanted to try a few more colors. I've got a few of these. These are so economical. They're like $1.99 each, and I think they look really nice on art journaling pages. So it's just those mini stamps, and I don't know if the name's on here, but I think this was a kind of gothic script, and I don't know what this one was. I can't remember the name of it, but you've got that little bird up there and kind of looks like an invoice. I got a few of Prima's new butterflies that goes with their new collections. So there's one, there's two, and I think there should be one more in here somewhere. But yeah, they are really pretty. So okay, I'm sure I got 3, so there should be another one somewhere. And a lot of the rest of the stuff is just, here's a well, it's all like, well, a lot of the rest of the stuff is chipboard pieces, and this is one of the large moons that were designed by Nanika. So yeah, I just quickly run through. Got, actually that may have a name. So yeah, Big Moon by Nanika. Got the Floral Heart, the Clockworks, the Ship's Wheel in medium, Mystic Flourish, these are really nice, Elegant Pearls. I will try to get through these as quickly as I can. Fancy Trims, these are gorgeous. I really am trying to get like more kind of steampunk and industrial kind of stuff. Industrial Barbed Stars, Tropical Foliage, because I'm thinking of like summer crafts. Tropical Foliage, Frangipangi, Cog Border number 1. These are Gem Drop borders, and these are, I don't know, I might kind of use them on maybe larger canvases. Sorry about the glare. Or they could be cut and I could use those on a box or even an art journal page too. These are Industrial Stars. These are also gorgeous. Industrial Scrolls. Here are Cogs number 3. Industrial Stars number 2. Get any more of these larger ones out of the way. These are really nice. Jumbo Cogs number 2. More of the Moons by Nanika. These are number 2 and number 1. This is really nice. Oh, I had to skip to this one. Look at this door. This is so gorgeous. Door number 3. Vintage frame number 2. These are Feathers by Nanika. Corner Flourish number 1. This is quite cute. Vintage Clock number 2. It's just a little mini one here. Here, I'll leave those to the end to make it less confusing. These are Feather Charms number 2, Flamingos. I love these, especially for art journaling and stuff, like, or tags, whatever. But Wordplay they're called, and those are in French. Industrial Globes, Life's a Beach, Seahorse number 1, the Compass Rose, Tickets. I've had these before and I found them really nice. Mini Monarch Butterflies. I think it was the top 2. I just put a layer of gesso on and then emboss them and kind of molded them into shape a bit and used them on like flowers on top of a like those 2 Winter Tales canvases I made. And yeah, they look gorgeous, so just kind of stocked up on those. Sweet Dreams, Mum. Then thinking of making something for her as well. These are Paris postmarks. Ship's Wheels small. Anchors number 2. So like with summer coming, I'm thinking of like, well, tropical things, but I guess mainly nautical themes. Sunkish, Tropical State of Mind, I'm on Beach Time. These are mini captions number 12. More of the wordplay, and that is number 1. Hibiscus, Ocean Elements number 6. Ocean Elements number 7. Blooms number 1. Blooms number 5. And yeah, this may be really boring just seeing me running through all of this, but to be honest, I have found the other butterflies. So like, how gorgeous are these? Especially, I mean, these are so pretty. They're kind of like embroidered, I guess they look, but yeah, they're all just gorgeous. But yeah, when I was first getting like when I found a Dusty Attic stockist over here, and you know, it's one thing looking on the website, but yeah, rather than kind of measuring, I think it's kind of easy to see next to someone's hands what the actual chipboard pieces you're going to get look like. And I really didn't like, I'm the kind of person, if I'm going to buy like a paper pad, I YouTube it just so I can see them flick through. But yeah, I didn't find too many videos where people were actually going through the chipboard pieces. So the first time I got a whole bunch of them, I just thought I'd show them, and yeah, I guess I'm still carrying on that tradition. So Industrial Balloons, which are gorgeous. Industrial Hearts. Ornate Corners number 2. The Mini Octopus, La Vie en Rose. Lovely, Happy, Adore and Sweet. And those are the word pack number 14. Oh, this is a bit smaller. This is such a great size for a tag. I did actually order this, which is Industrial Border number 2. I don't know if it was number 1 that I also ordered. And it was actually even nicer than this one. But unfortunately, turns out it was out of stock, so I've been refunded. Yeah, I've got one and I've got the larger one, so that is Industrial Border number 2. Here are some Coral number 2, the Eiffel Tower. I've got like a mold, and I've got like a few different kind of themed things, things that are themed around like Paris and France. So I guess I just wanted to have a few more bits so I can actually put like a kind of composition together at some point. So that's why I've got like the French wordplay. And this is Loved, Awesome, Forever and Special, and that is word pack number 33. I just want to, my eyes are so bad. Yeah, that is word pack number 14, the first one I showed. Just Starfish, and these are also absolutely gorgeous. I've got a thing about clocks, and these are Clockwork Small. So that's all of the chipboard finally, and I'll just leave that box too. Here's a stencil I've been wanting like forever, and it's one of the Prima ones. I've got one of their smaller ones, and I know they're really nice quality. So yeah, just trying to save money. I didn't want to buy 2, so I was really stuck between manuscript and the Gothic script. There might be another name for it, but there's a Gothic stencil as well. So it's kind of like just choose one, so I've gone for manuscript, and I think that's going to be so nice when it's used. I also got a Tim Holtz honeycomb. You can't see like what the actual name of this is, but yeah, it's pretty much honeycomb, or could be like hexagon stencil, but yeah. And then I've got a few more dusty attic stencils. I've got one or two already, and they seem quite flimsy, but the one I've got already definitely works really well, and yeah, this is going to as well. So I don't know, for some reason the packaging, they seem so flimsy, but they are, well, the one I've got I've used and it's washed well and everything, so yeah, it is a really good value as well. I think each one of these is like, yeah, $3.99, and that is going to be so nice for nautical themes as well. So that is the fishnet one, the brick wall stencil. I'd really have liked a larger one of these for like my large art journal, but yeah, it is what it is. Cracked stone stencil. This one is cobblestone stencil. I think these are going to be really nice on tags as well. And then last but not least, we've got the scales stencil. So like, yeah, those mermaid scales. So yeah, that is the order finally complete. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I will be back with you all very soon. So take care. Bye bye.